Well done, Ellen. Well done, girl. Kelly, what did you think of Ellen's performance tonight?
Oh, I think that was a step up from last week. And I know, I could tell you were still nervous, only because I could see you shaking. Apart from that, you really handled it so well. You really mastered it so well. But I love the fact that we got to see this subtle side of your voice this week. It was just, I don't know, it was much more controlled than last week. And what I liked about it was, when you did push some of that power out, there was this amazing contrast. And then you went into your falsetto and you added a lot to that. It was a very simple song. And like Zoe said a couple of times, less is more. And I think that really worked in your favour this evening. I thought that was beautiful. Well done. Thank you.
So?
Yeah, that was absolutely like really beautiful. It was like so stunning. It was like almost soothing. Like I felt like I was in like therapy or something. Like I just wanted, like I could, like you could sing me to sleep, like, and I'd fall asleep within like 3 seconds. You have an incredible range, like you really do, and the whole performance was controlled brilliantly, considering like you were sat. And like Hel said, I could tell there was like still some nerves, but only because like you could see you shaking a little bit. But otherwise, you wouldn't know at all. Like you cover it so well, like you're so professional about it. But your mic control needs a little bit of work on the quieter notes, because I feel like it needs a bit of volume and like
I realised that one.
Yeah, but it'll come in time over the next few weeks. You smashed that. And I love the build up as well. It was beautiful. Well done.
Thank you.
I actually do have goosebumps. Like, I really love that. I'm really struggling to find the words yet. I had so much to say, and then it got to a certain part, the big emotional climax of that song there that just crushed it. Honestly, you have no reason to doubt yourself. You have no reason to be nervous. There is so much potential in you, my dear. That is believe it or not, that is a very difficult song to sing. By the way that the modern world has taken it and turned it into this big song, it is a very difficult song to sing. So for you to take a song that is so, not overdone, but is so popular and done by so many people, for you to actually make it sound original to you, I commend you for that. I don't know how you did it. Everything from your slow build-ups, your low notes, to your falsettos, to the big belty notes that came at the perfect time. The build-up in the song was so appropriate. I'm not trying to convert you here, but you have a phenomenal voice for theatre. You do, a phenomenal voice. Well done.
Ellen, again, you were on your own little special journey in this process. And we're only a weekend, so it is very early stages. This was definitely a small step forward from last week. I need to bring this up to justice for you, because you're not going to know otherwise. I picked it up last week, and I definitely picked it up again tonight. Your mic control, definitely. You need to have that there.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Everything else, we control this side for you, all right? That is one thing, remember that from you, right? And I'm telling you this because the reason why I want you to know this is because I personally believe you could be one of the standouts in this whole entire season. I believe that. But I need you to improve on these little things, all right?
Yeah.
You're losing volume, like I said last week, in your voice.
Yeah.
And tonight, I got to hear it on one note, because when you got to the actual belty note at the end, there was a part where it slipped in just before you was like, ooh, but once you got into that, you actually used the full volume of your voice, and I was like, oh my God, she's got it there. Now I've seen it, so you can't do it. Even when a song's calm and subtle, is completely understandable, you have to control it in. But you still got to keep your volume there, because what's happening, the mixture between the mic being down here and using your full voice into it, that's why it was completely quiet.
Yeah.
So just work on having the mic closer here, and don't be frightened when you're in the house. For your husband, it is husband, isn't it?
Well, fiance.
Oh, fiance, okay. Sorry. But when you're in the house, use your voice for them. I don't know if you do actually, but when you're in the shower, belt. Try and get some more volume coming out that way. So if you just go, it don't matter. Then he'd be like, what's mommy doing? But no, it's a good way of you getting used to just letting it out, because what's happening, we're still a little bit, maybe when you're getting comfortable with the environment, you're still holding in a little bit.
Yeah.
Just just work on letting it out. Even if it means you've got to chuck yourself in the deep end and do something that pushes you into a position where you have to belt, and even if it went off, as long as I'm seeing that full voice come out, I'm happy, because that's all it needs. Ellen, honestly, you do have a really special sound, and I think you could do absolutely fantastic well in this, but those are the only two things that are going to step against you, right?
Yeah.
Mic control, full volume. That's it. But honest to God, it takes nothing away. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Absolutely
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Well done. Apply now at www.musicwales.org.